You are truly Agni Kanya. Over the past 4 years, Bengal has taken yet another great leap forward. Its growth has become faster. Bengal is today standing taller, more vibrant, and more confident of scaling greater summits of success in the future. Bengal alone has the potential to become a $1 trillion economy in the near future. Last time I was here at this fabulous Biswa Bangla Convention Center was in 2019. Over the past 4 years, Bengal has taken yet another great leap forward. Its growth has become faster. Its opportunities for business and investments have become bigger. Bengal is today standing taller, more vibrant, and more confident of scaling greater summits of success in the future. Respected Mamta Didi, this transformation has taken place because of your visionary, strong and determined leadership, which is why the people of Bengal have chosen you to lead them again and again. As the late Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee described you, you are truly Agni Kanya. The Agni of struggles and sacrifice has made your golden character shine brighter. And now you are making Sonar Bangla shine brighter. For example, the rate of growth of the state's GDP is 11.5%, much higher than the national average. Your tax revenue has tripled, and so have IT exports from the state. Capital expenditure on agriculture and allied sectors have risen nearly 7 times. The number of medium and small industry clusters have gone up 10 times. Bengal is poised to become the logistics hub of the East, which will attract new domestic and international investments. In terms of the cost of doing business, it's one of the lowest in India. Therefore, businesses and investors identify Bengal as a land of myriad possibilities and a land of growth and creativity. Bengal has always been famous for its heritage of intellectuals, and now Bengal is celebrating its power of entrepreneurship. All of us can see the proof of this right here in the Bengal Global Business Summit. Friends, Bengal is truly rising, and the rise augurs well for the whole of India. India is now racing ahead to become a $10 trillion economy by 2030. This will make India the 3rd largest economy of the world. Bengal alone has the potential to become a $1 trillion economy in the near future. A prosperous Bengal will again become India's gateway to Southeast and Far East Asia. Countries like Singapore, Korea, and Taiwan are regarded as Asian tigers for their growth economies. But Bengal is now becoming so agile and ambitious that the fearless Royal Bengal tiger will someday overtake all the Asian tigers.